Hey guys, so we're going to start this problem. It's from the practice exam, and it's number 17. And we are going to be dividing rational expressions. So we have this f of x term, and it's being divided by this g of x term. So whenever we have two fractions being divided by each other, we do this thing called keep, change, flip. So what keep, change, flip does is it tells us that we're going to keep the first term. So that's what we're going to bring it down here. We're going to change this division bar to a big multiplication sign. And then we're going to flip this guy. So now this x squared is going to be on top and divided by now the bottom. So now that we have this guy, we can start simplifying and factoring out some stuff. So we can factor a 4 out of this bottom left guy, and we're left with an x minus 5. This guy we can pull out a 2 and an x squared. This guy is left with an x, and this guy is just 1. We can divide this top, not divide, we can factor this top guy. We have x and x. Two things multiplied together to equal 5. The only thing is 5 and 1, and it adds up to 6, so there it is. And 48 can be broken up if you want 48 times x squared. So now let's start canceling out some stuff. We can cancel out this x squared on the top and bottom, and we can cancel out this x plus 1 on the top and bottom as well. Now we are left with this 48 and x plus 5 on the top. And we have this 4 times 2, which is an 8, times x minus 5. And we can't cancel those terms out, unfortunately, because they have different signs. But we can divide 48 by 8. It goes in 6 times, so we're left with 6x plus 5 on the top over x minus 5. And that's our answer.